Hey guys, Little's Tools here again. Hope you all are doing great. Today we're back with another tool haul. This tool haul is from Canadian, maybe even just an Albertan store, Bumper to Bumper. If you're Albertan, you probably know of it. Yeah, so my local Bumper to Bumper, they're carrying some new brands. And when I hopped in there, I was like, wow, and I picked up some goodies. So, let's get right into it. So, right here, Mayhew. You guys all know Mayhew. They make a lot of stuff for other companies as well. Quality stuff, lifetime warranty. So what I got here, this is the inch kit. So this is a Mayhew 37332. And what these are extractors. Square fluted extractors. So pound these, you drill a hole, pound these into a bolt, whatever, and you put a wrench on it or a socket, whatever, and to turn it. It works both ways. So yeah, there's those guys. Some info on it. So you can buy them individual. This one's a 3/8. Oh, sorry, bumping you guys. I have a few, both 5/16 and 3/8 extractors from Proto and stuff, but I didn't have any of these smaller sizes. I know these will come in handy, so I picked up this kit here. And leave it open its phone. And that cost me, it's right around $40. So there's that guy. Next up, I believe this is actually my first Sunex tool. Wish these were metric, but still they keep in handy. And at the price these were with Sunex's warranty, this was a no-brainer for me. I did a little looking. Where did I see it? Here, made in India. So they're not China and they're not Taiwan. And lifetime warranty. So let's take a look at these guys. The part number for this is a 9940. And these are an S wrench, obstruction wrench. A lot of people call them different things. Okay, so this comes in a tool roll. Nice roll. Stick those guys there. Excuse me. There we are. Look at that. So you can hang this up if you do please. Okay. 5/16, 3/8, 7/16. Oh, sorry, out of frame a bit. 5/16, 3/8, 7/16 half, 9/16, and 9/16, 19/32, 5/8, 11/16, 11/16 and 3/4. Could have done away with 19/32, and they could have put a 13/16. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, you pretty much have a comprehensive 5/16 to 3/4 set. But if they did away 19/32 and put this 5/8 on the 9/16, you could have a lose one wrench and then have a 13/16 and a 7/8. I could see that being useful, especially a 7/8. But yeah, let's take a look at these guys here. Okay, we have our sizes nice and deeply stamped, both sizes, and laser etched. We have Sunex and our part number. Just wipe this off so you can get a nice look at how the chrome is and whatnot. Wipe this guy off. It's quite nice, really. How does it compare to like a snap-on chrome? Fairly similar. I think the snap-on chrome is thicker, but still. I think these would be really useful, and of course, you know, you can use this as a 19 and a 17, so definitely going to get some use out of these. Do an update and see how they hold up. Let's just take a look at the rest of them real quick. Okay, let's just lay them out here and just see them. Just want to see the quality control. Quality control on the little guy looks really well. Yeah, no problems I can see. No burrs, nothing like that. nice beefy 7/16 there. I definitely have a good amount of 7/16 fasteners I work with. So yeah, there's that set. I'll just stick that over here. There we are. Alright, let's go over these guys. So funny enough, I've seen these for a while. A lot of you've probably seen them on the Matco truck. But they're made by EZRED. And I was on Amazon and I saw these and the price was $40 and I thought, I think I'll get them. Put them on my Amazon wish list. Next day, Lance from over at the YouTube channel Lone Star Mopars makes a video on EZRED trays. Not these exact ones, but there's a 4 trays that come in a plastic thing, so there's like 4 individual cups all together. Funny how that happens. And then the day after that, I'm in bumper to bumper and they have these in there. I go up to the front, ask them, how much are these guys? These are $34, so they're cheaper than what they were on Amazon. So I picked them up right away. And this is a 3-piece set, red, green, orange, and here's your part number, EZ Tray -CLR. Look at those guys. Nothing else in the box. So these just go like this. They pop open. I think you can probably do it with just one finger like that. Well, I like that high vis orange. The green too, that catches your eye, didn't it? So, I've heard a lot of great things about these. The only thing I've heard that people don't like about these is, if we look here, you can see them flat out. There's 5 small magnets. Now, let's just grab a socket here. 3/8 deep Husky socket. Okay, it holds that. But if I wiggle it, it comes off. If I put it on that way, unless I put gravity really against it, it stays. These will go right on your toolbox. Okay, and here, let's just throw a few things in here. Socket, pegboard hook. What else can we throw in? Throw in a couple 1/4-20 nuts and a wing nut. Of course, I grabbed a plastic nut. 3/8 nut, heavy one, and something light, that guy, and some plumbing tape. Okay, so we got an assortment of goodies in there. Now, if we look, I think that's aluminum, but if we look here, these catch the magnets in the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's see how's it do for a vertical test. Okay, so only the heavy item. All this light stuff is staying in here just fine. So, even when I read the reviews on these, people saying the magnets are kind of weak. I don't think they're great for automotive work in the sense of, okay, stick this on a fender or somewhere in the engine bay, especially unless it's right vertical like this. But what I like about these, so right here we have a Craftsman ratchet that I'm tearing down. Okay, look at the depth, and especially since I just do this and I keep this on my bench, it might be here for a day, it might be here for 2 weeks. When we look at the depth of a standard magnet tray to this, we're almost double. So, just for example, I'm going to stick my stuff in here. Now this tray, little ball bearing, latches right to the magnet. Not going to put this upside down because I don't want to lose that ball bearing. But look at that, even my little ratchet fits in there. And it's on the bench. It's actually even more, it's way more sturdy than this. Like a cat out here. Anyway, but yeah, for what I'm going to use these for, sitting up here on the bench top, holding parts, etc. I think it'll be excellent. Also, I think it'd be excellent for you guys that are working on automotive, etc., that have one of those, like just a flat top service tray. I think these would be great for just sticking up on top of there, not for putting on a car. Also, and then these can collapse flat, and then you just stick them on your box or whatever, save space, and they look cool doing it. So yeah, that's those guys. Almost did a full little review on them there. Not just an overview, but yeah, for the price I got these $34, so I mean they're not cheap, but these magnet trays, they're not dirt cheap like they used to be. These are almost $10, or like $7-8, because the ones you get at the dollar store are not as good as the ones you get at the actual tool stores. So very pleased with that, those guys. Next up here, picked up a couple sockets I need. So these are all Westward. I'm actually not sure if these are made in China or Taiwan, but they're actually quite nicely made, and especially since these were all right around $10 or less. So 27mm deep, 1/2-inch stripe chrome, 20mm deep, 1/2-inch chrome. Also, the deeps are very, very deep well, which can be a good and a bad thing. And a 15/16 shallow impact, and it is chromoly, which is nice. Westward does have a lifetime warranty. Bumper to bumper, where I got these, is starting to phase out carrying Westward, so I'm not sure how the warranty on these guys are. If I need to warranty Westward, I will try to, and success or not, I will make a video on it, of course. So that's my haul there, guys. Also, I don't know if I set up this set. It was about $54. These guys are like $9, $11, and $10. So yeah, for the price I paid for this stuff, I'm extremely happy. I'm gonna get good use out of all of it. This is one of those things you don't want to have to use, but you know you will here with how much rust we deal with, all of us. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, commenting, subscribing. I really appreciate all of you. Any comments, questions, concerns, leave them down below. And as always, guys, take it easy.